Hello and welcome to today's session on something that's often considered dry and dull: technical training. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to share some strategies to infuse fun and engagement into our technical training sessions. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Strategy number 1 is gamification. Incorporating game elements into training not only makes it more enjoyable, but also improves learning retention. So, let's turn learning into a playful experience with quizzes and simulations. Strategy number 2, interactive exercises. Break the monotony of classroom lectures with hands-on activities and group discussions. Encourage participation and collaboration to create a dynamic learning environment. Strategy number 3, real-world scenarios. Connect theoretical concepts to practical applications by presenting real-life situations. This not only makes the content more relatable, but also demonstrates its relevance in the workplace. And last but not least, strategy number 4, humor and creativity. Injecting humor and creativity into our training sessions can lighten the mood and foster a positive learning atmosphere. Let's use our creativity to make learning enjoyable for everyone involved. So, there you have it, 4 strategies that help infuse fun and engagement into technical training sessions, making learning an experience to remember. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.